Hello there. Today, I'll guide you through downloading Roblox Studio on your laptop or PC. First, open any web browser. Once it's open, go to the Roblox website. Today, we'll see how to download Roblox Studio. You'll find a button here labeled Creator. Click on that button. Once you're in the Creator section, you'll see an option saying Start Creating. Clicking on this will bring up a new button named Download Studio. Clicking on this will start the download of Roblox Studio. After clicking, you'll see a pop-up on the upper right side that says Roblox Studio Installer. Click on that, and the Roblox download will begin. Once it's done, Roblox will open automatically. Voila! Your download is complete and Roblox is now open in front of you. That's how you download Roblox Studio.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.